Alright, y'all. I believe our girl won something, cause when I came back out of she was home. Give me a minute. I haven't changed her clothes, but I did change her outfit. I mean, her hair. Okay, but what did she win? It just says Finchware Fair Reward, 1 cheese, 1 participation chicken ribbon. So she didn't win? Bruh. Let me click on her first. She didn't win. We gotta go back next week with the cows. She won cheese and I participate. That's messed up. Alright, I guess we'll be going back next week. Next week is... What's that? What is it? Okay. Next week, next Saturday is... Garden. Submit your healthiest happy plant to this competition. Pie. Share your tastiest pretty homemade pie. Bro. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I guess we're gonna be working on pies this week. Bro. Alright. Let's go work on pies. Alright, before we get into making pies, we did do some makeovers. Everybody in the family got a makeover. Well, except the dad, because you know the dad is a ghost. So let's see if we can go into like my game been acting a little crazy. All right, so we're gonna see if we can go into cast and see if I can show you what everybody looks like now. So Asteria finally took the braids out. Yes, Lord. And she got a haircut. Okay, and then our children aged up, so of course we had to make them over. So, oh look, it didn't take long. Alright, so her everyday outfits. First of all, her face card never declines. Nothing changed except for girl got that grown woman haircuts. Look at that. But we didn't really know what too much of her outfits looked like, so I'm just gonna show you her the main ones, okay? The main ones I know we've seen. So every day I know we have seen, we don't really see formal. I know we see her sleepwear a lot. I don't think that changed. Did it change? No, did not change. And then we see her cold wear a lot because it's cold right now, okay? So that is her, okay? Next, we're gonna do Laurent. So Laurent, I try to keep him kind of casual, because him and his twin sister Lori are still teenagers, okay? And then also Laurent is gonna be the one to take over the family generation, because Lori said no, that's not her dream. That's her mom's dream, okay? So I'm gonna show you his everyday, same thing, every day. His sleep, which is just some pajama pants, and then his cold weather. Okay, nothing too fancy about him. Oh, and then here's his face card. I don't know where he got blue eyes from. I can't remember if his dad has blue eyes. He's a ghost, so I can't really tell you. I don't think his dad had blue eyes. Maybe like somebody in their generation before had blue eyes. But yeah, he got a little bit of stubble growing in as a teenager. And then I did enable growth, so it will grow over time, okay, if he doesn't shave it. Next is Lori, who is, I tried to not dress her too grown, okay, because remember, she is still a teenager like her brother, okay? So this is her face card. She looks so much like Asteria. She looks like the mom. And then her everyday outfits. She's slightly skinnier than her mom. Her sleep. And I'm gonna show all. You know what? I'm gonna show all her outfits because we're gonna wind up playing her. Okay. And we're gonna go over. Now that they're teenagers, I'm gonna switch them to the next generation. Probably after this episode, I'm gonna see. We didn't. You know, I'm gonna pull it up. Let me just show her outfits. Okay, her formal. And then you have her athletic. And then you have her sleep. And I think she has 2 parties. So this party number 1. And I don't know why I got this party. It's what she had on when she switched over, and I liked it. I liked it, the outfit, so I wanted to keep it for something. I don't know. Her swimwear. Oh, rotate. There we go. Her hot weather. And again, when she becomes a young adult, then she would dress more. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And then her cold weather. Okay. Let me pull up. While this is loading, let me pull up the. What am I looking for? Oh, I want to pull up the information for the generations. Yeah. So we are currently in generation 1, and we started out with our 20,000. We got everything except the aspiration complete, which is the main thing. I don't know. I might play their mom for like 7 more days and see if. And I was not here, and my game is, I believe, frozen. It's not frozen. Okay, let's see if we can get to the mom. Cause that's what I was playing. Are you froze? Okay, I believe it's froze. I'm gonna let that do what it do. Hopefully it freezes by the time I get done. So, the challenge was starting out with your 20,000 simoleons and no family left. You head out to start your new life, okay? And then you can read the rest of it. We lived on Hanford and Bagley. Sorry, that is my phone. That is not on silent. We did all of the careers. We did the aspiration. We did the traits. We even did the challenge. The only thing we didn't complete was aspiration, which was the we had to win a ribbon. So I'm gonna try to play her for another week, which is a lot more episodes. Oh my goodness. I was trying to have less than 15 episodes per generation, because there's like 15 generations. I believe we had a successful perform. I don't really know. We didn't really go through all of the seasons. Maybe we could come back and check on Laurent when he gets older. But our next generation, which is generation 2, is city life. Okay. So we gotta be a painter. No. I think I can do all this. Never marry. Have only one kid. Okay. Live only in TLC apartments. Is that tender love and care? We got a fixer-upper. And we gotta move to San Marino. Okay. I am gonna go out and come back in and see if I can fix this. And you know what? I am gonna pause on recording. It is Sunday, and when I start the video back, it'll be like a second for you. But when I start recording back, we'll be at the new competition on Saturday, like the following Saturday, because I don't want to keep recording over and over. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, it won't be right back for the family, but it'll be right back for y'all. All right. She has baked her a pie. Okay, but let's add a secret spice, and then we're gonna put it in our inventory for. We're gonna put it in our inventory for the contest. So a lot of stuff has happened too, y'all. Like, when I get to everything, I'll let y'all know. So we do now have teenagers. So I have been to high school with them, and I have a lot of stuff. So my sons went to my daughter, okay, Lori, went to school for the first time. Why are you in the bathroom? And she got high. 2 days in a row. So I was like, I'm gonna go to school with her the next day because we get straight A's. We don't do, illegal activities. Perfectly fine that day. And she had the option to graduate, but if she graduated early, she won't gonna be able to do the ceremony. So we're gonna wait. So she can go to her graduation ceremony. She is gonna go off to college, so we got all of that going for us. Laurent, we know, is gonna be the person that we follow. That will follow his mom's success. Oh, and another thing, I will pull up pictures because I did take pictures of everything. But we did connect our house to our greenhouse. Okay, see. But there's like a lot of other stuff. She claps when I win, but I post weird subs when I shine. Okay, not right now. Okay, I'm trying to do things. So let me pause this, and I'm gonna bring up. You can't see it, but I'm gonna bring up the stuff so I can tell y'all what happened. So she confronted her about doing illegal activities, and Lori got mad. She said, if I were you, I would go to a different town because everybody hates you here. And then she also was like, if you touch me, I'll sue you. Like a whole bunch of stuff. I got the pictures. I'm gonna put it up in the corner. And I got like pictures of like her mom being mad at her. We also been practicing our prep ingredients. She been practicing gardening. So we've been doing a lot of stuff these few days, and we have gotten a lot of stuff done as far as our kids and just running the successful farm. So dare I say it, I feel like we have a successful farm. Oh, and we also did this. I don't know if I did it in the last episode. So me and her husband Dana is a civil designer. We can now grow fake meat. So we harvested, we cooked some, we ate some. I put all of these crafting tables so she can work on her crafting. I put a pond in here so she can fish. Because she can't fish outside because it's still frozen. Yeah, so we've been growing a real good successful farm. All our trees grew up. We got a plantain tree, we got lemon trees, got apple trees, coconut tree. She's been doing really, really, really good. Okay. All we gotta do is win this ribbon so we can move on to being Lori and our second generation. Okay. If I forgot to mention something, I will go back and look at it. Whenever I get done with this. But we are now here on Saturday. We baked our pie. We also had Winterfest too while we was not recording. So Santa came and gave us some stuff. I don't know if I took pictures. But yeah, we practiced our pie making and stuff. We gave our pie to Santa and stuff like that. Yeah, so it's a nice little project. Laurent finished his project. Did he get credit for it? Right. Okay, yeah. So he got extra credit. You're not guessing. You're knowing. Okay. She's been making a lot of money with her business. Her business is now 2 stars, I believe. Let me see. 2 stars. We're almost at 3. Another thing I want to do right now is, I got 6,000 satisfaction points. I want to buy a money tree so I could plant money. Yes. Is it in my inventory and can I plant it? Okay, money fruit. Let's put you in your own category. Let's put you dead center in right here. Okay? And then we're going to plant this. Plant that money tree, girl. She got to level 10 with her gardening. So, we making progress, Yeah, but it just, it's like, Lori doing illegal activities just threw me for a loop. Real, like, loop. We have several bottles of beer downstairs aging. We have been doing a lot, so I'm gonna let this grow so you can see. There is one plant that I'm supposed to be taking with me because it's like a perfect plant, but I rearranged everything, so I don't know what it is. For real. It was this bush, I believe. Yes. More choices. I want to put in my inventory. Can I do that? How do you take a plant with you? More choices. Let me see. Let me go to calendar. Garden fair. What about festival? The rare to better submit your healthiest, happiest plant test competition. How do I do that though? Y'all, if I do not win a ribbon after this fair, I am if I uproot it, can I plant it again? I don't know. I'm just gonna move to the next generation. Oh, no. Don't throw it away. Put it in inventory. No. I thought that meant that I could. Oh my goodness. Well, that's gone. Frail. No, my sagebrush is normal. How do I... Okay, give me a minute. I will be right back. I'm going to look up how to put a plant in my inventory, okay? Alright, they said I just needed to harvest. I don't have to have the whole plant. So, even though I got rid of my plant on this side that was perfect, the other, I always had two plants that I have never got rid of. That is that splice plant that had the grapes and carrots, and this valerian plant. So what I'm gonna do is harvest the valerian roots and hopefully take that. Also, while I was not recording, while I was going through all of my plants, I got this little notification. It says harvest is interest, and it says Asteria has harvested 50 wild plants since Sensor. Also, it says Asteria has oh, no, that's what it was. Okay, so I do have that. Alright, so she's gonna do that. And then while y'all do that, I think I'm gonna make some... While we wait for the fair, I think we're gonna make some wine. Not all the walls up, so I can't see. Can I make wine right now? Apple wine, strawberry wine. I'm tired of making the same wine. We need to get our wine level up. Alright, and let's put this in your mom's inventory, because you don't need it. Go in there. Okay. Let's see, look, there it is. I took a picture. She's harvesting the meat. You see? And then I sell it in my store. Yeah, like she really disliked your mom, but you know, she got her stuff together. I don't know who she's talking to. But yeah, look at our little garden. It's so beautiful when the sun comes up. We do need to weed though. That's tender garden. She harvesting all the plants. So maybe I can take stuff. Yep, she's been doing really good. Look at all the stuff she has in her inventory. She has a lot of stuff in her garden. So she been making a little. She been doing a lot. What's wrong? Okay. Okay. Look at the little rabbits. Okay. And I believe we're making strawberry wine. So we can take it downstairs. Oh no, we're making apple wine. Uh-oh. Yeah, his dad. But you know Laurent's gonna take everything over. So I've been trying to build up his skills. His gardening skills. And I put all these crafting tables out here. So he could learn about that stuff. But you know what, let's have him tend the garden instead of the mom. Because she don't need to work on her gardening anymore. It's just him. And then go upstairs and make sure, yep, they're already out. I'm gonna feed everybody and clean everybody. Well, the thing went back out. Scared to feed. Let's feed Barbara, and then we're gonna clean Barbara, and then check on your food is coming, dogs. Chill out. Y'all always need something, just can't wait. He tended to the garden. Oh, you already done with the wine? Okay. Let's see if we can craft some more wine. Some other than what we have already. See, I got all of this stuff, but I cannot craft. I need more grapes. So I need to plant grapes. Lots and lots of grapes. So we have a lot of bottles of wine. Go in there. Oh, Dana, go to work. We need you to not get fired. So, let's plant some more grapes so we can always have grapes for our wine. Do I have room over here? I have room over here. Plants. No, I want to plant the grape. Plants. Yeah. 2 hours. Oh my god, it's gonna expire before I could take it to the thing. Okay, so I'm gonna need to bake a pie at... I'm gonna need to bake a pie. Okay, I wonder if I could put it in the refrigerator. Will it help? Let's see. Put it in there. And then, let me see. Let me open this. I hope don't nobody eat it though. One day, okay. Whew. So stuff I didn't know it spoiled faster in your inventory. Oh, here you don't need to. Oh, let's incubate and coop. You can go in there. My lettuce needs to go in there because it might spoil. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. So I wonder if I take this. Why can't? Okay, so if I put, what's this? Mandrake? No, I want to do it with the strawberry. Don't I have a strawberry bush? What's this? What is this? What is this? Grape. Carrot. Okay, let me, I know I got plant strawberries somewhere. Basil, sage, blackberry. Okay, can I graft it? Graft with, which is what? Chocolate. Still, why won't me click on it? Okay, it won't let me. That is lame. What are my birds? My birds don't visit no more. Where you going, Laura? Okay, she got a little bit of interest. This is my plantain tree. Girl, go use the bathroom for you can. Hold up, wait a minute. What's that? Easy sipping. See what I mean? She just doing all the bad things. From drink, easy sipping. Now that's thirst quenching. It's almost enough to make one giddy. That sound like she ain't been sipping on no water, right? I ain't tripping. Sound like she been sipping on way more than that. Just saying. My money tree. I can't wait for you to start growing. Me money. She never actually uses her bathroom. You know what we can do? Laundry. Revolutionary power saving device. Dana has developed a new product that hugely decreases power consumption of popular electronics with no loss of performance. After enthusiastically supporting the invention, Lean Green Design Co-op discovers a way that reduces equal credentials for more profit. As the inventor should, they disagree. We want a lot of money. Lean Green is unhappy with his stubborn, lost it. This is there and withdraw their support. Okay, I mean, we know it works, so. Oh well. I don't know when the last time I did laundry. I searched the pockets first and then do laundry. That's a washing machine. Can't tell you the last time I did laundry. You know what? I can't go in there because the door is messed up. That's why. Ooh. Right? No, the door is fine. I'm gonna slide over a little bit. Yeah, let's. Yeah. Oh, go back. There we go. Do your laundry, girl. Let's see if you find anything. She found $48 and one beta. Like the fish? What if somebody got a fish in their pocket for? She found the fish. Oh, I should do an aquarium. I already got the butterfly garden. Oops. Is it clean though? I just put it in there. Oh, I got daisies. Oh, I had daisies. Daisy. Is it clean though? Don't I supposed to have like a thing that'll tell me if the laundry's clean? Do laundry. Wash laundry. Is it gonna tell me when it's done? I haven't had a washing machine in so long. Okay. It's doing its laundry. Why do I have two baskets? Okay. I ain't trying to do that. I'm trying to win something. Oh my god, he ate the pie. Oh my goodness. He ate the. Oh, I got. Oh my goodness. He ate it. Y'all, he ate it. I gotta bake another one. This is why I need to live by myself. I can't even find cook. What do you mean fuel level is empty? Oh my goodness, he ate the pie. I thought I was good. And it's gone. And then you're gonna be look smug about it. Oh my goodness. Hurry up. I'm trying to cook. Why can't I cook? Oh my god, and it really won't. Where is the cook button? Y'all move out the way. Move. Oh my goodness. Oh, cook grub. Okay. Bro, please let there be some type of pie I can cook in here. Pumpkin pie. I wanted a chocolate pie. Okay. And just keep it in your inventory, honey. It's just gonna have to be left in your inventory because your children, your son. Bro. Cook. Now you're in there talking to yourself. Don't be talking to me. Put it in your inventory. Don't put it on the. She gonna put it on the table first. Why did they do that? Why don't they automatically put it? Okay. Pause. Pause. Let's add secret spice. And then put it in your inventory before somebody eats it. Talk to her later. Put it in your inventory. I'm glad that y'all are getting. They really look alike. See. Look. They really look alike. Don't they? The mom's eyes are slightly bigger. But they look alike. Wow, that's crazy. Oh man, oh my god, oh Jesus, that is stressful. I can serve lunch because I'm gonna be gone. Which was this? Serve lunch. Let's do taco tacos. I'm worried she don't think my mom just get home. She didn't like you earlier in the week. But that's teenagers for you. Act crazy. I thought I was gonna get this done. But I don't think I'm gonna get to go. Somebody else gonna have to finish this. Because I am going to the fair. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Let me speed up time. I want to keep that. Because I got someone to be right quick. Okay. You have to stop that so we can go to the fair. I don't care about the festival of stuff starting. I care about going to the regular festival. What you mean has it started? Oh, 3:30. Alright, you're gonna have to finish then. No, oh, I forgot it was prom. Y'all should have asked him that without me. Aw, mother and daughter time. We gotta go to the fair. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. And let's see if we can go. Okay, and I'm gonna have to pause. I'm gonna go to the festival. I'm gonna submit my stuff, and then yeah, we're going to the fair. All right, y'all, this is it, and this is all. If we don't win a ribbon today, baby, hold up, wait a minute. What? Oh, hold on. Can I not? Okay, so what are these? Okay, maybe those are just the decorations. All right, let's submit some entries. I'm gonna put submit an entry. I want, dang, what was my perfect thing? I don't remember. Was it potato? Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Pause. 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 Oh my God, I lost it. Do y'all remember what it was? Jesus. Jesus. Everything's for real. What was it then? No, I had a. It was Valiant root. But why did he say I had a perfect plant? Okay, I can't submit none of these. And I ain't gonna win with that. Okay, let's just submit something anyway. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I got meager, frail. Okay, let's do meager then. And then I'm gonna submit my pie. And then I gotta wait till 10 damn o'clock. So I'm gonna run through this right quick. Okay, let's just ultra speed this. I need it to hurry up. We trying to win, okay? For the little farm lady, they said I can get unusual stuff. You know what? Let's sell this stuff in our inventory while we at it. Slow down a little bit. Is he trying my pie? Oh, I thought he was eating it. Girl, don't you want to buy my stuff? We selling everything. Not that. I brought that from you last time. Take it all, girl, because I'm pretty sure I got more at the house. Take the fish too. I'm gonna hold on to this one of these black beans because I don't know if I got a black bean tree. I know I got blackberry. I got plenty of carrots. Oh, I didn't sell a lot of blackberries. Plenty of carrots. Plenty of chocoberry. Choco. How do you say that without chocolate? I got a coconut tree. The lime in the coconut tricking bows up. The lime in the coconut tricking bows up. Holly, lemon, mandrake, mushroom, pineapple, plantain. Got a lot of those. Pomegranate. Let's sell one pomegranate, and we're gonna keep one pomegranate. We keep one potato so I can plant it. Raspberry. Of course, I can sell all the sage. I can sell all the spinach. I sell all of the strawberry. I'm gonna keep my fertilizer. You know what? I'm gonna keep all but one because that's a good amount of money. I can sell my taro roots. I can sell my tomato. I got plenty of those. Valerian, sell that, and then we're gonna sell all but one of these. $2,191. Yes, Lord. Alright, now. Oh, good, I thought we had froze. Alright, let's speed through this. Get it. Get it. Please, please vote for my Valerian root. Anybody else put anything in? Dang, somebody put. Okay, it's frail though. It's frail. And mine's is meager. Crocus. What the heck is a crocus? Can I have that? Can I have? Is that a flower? Prom is starting. Y'all can go to prom. I don't want to go to prom. Oh, you got a chocolate pie too? It's normal. Agnes. Please. Please. This will be the second time I did this and I don't want to do it no more. It's almost Asteria's birthday. I hope she get this thing done before her birthday is over. It seems like I don't care. I want to win a ribbon. Okay? Last time I had to stay here till 10:30. It was taking too long. Where am I? As a matter of fact. You talking to that lady gone, girl? Who you talking to? Let's go sit on a little mushroom seat. The festival will end in 1 hour. Okay? We're just talking about come back next time it's in town. It's in town every Saturday. I want to win. Lady. Lavina broke. You the one that voted last time. Just tell me I won so I can go home. Let's pull this up just in case I get it in. Come. That's all I need, y'all, and my generation will be complete. Please. I don't know who put that trash girl. You should tell somebody about it. Did somebody burn my valerian root? Where'd it go? Bro. I think somebody shot. Oh my goodness. I guess I gotta clean it up then. Who won? Hurry up. Okay, it's gone. Everything disappeared. Did I win? Oh my god, my game is frozen. Okay. Yes! What? I did win. Congratulations, your plant won second place at the Fenwich Fair. Please check your Sims and household inventory to find your plant. Be sure to prepare for next week's cow fair. But I didn't get... Travel to... Sorry, I was reading that. Then wait for the judge to review his mission and fair to end. Tip: happy animals, better quality items and animals. Rare variants of animals and items are more likely to win. I won second place. I gotta win first place. Is it not working? I won. Okay, that thing cheating. We gonna call it quits. So even though we won, it said we didn't win. I guess I gotta win first place. Our next episode, we are going to start in our second generation. I am gonna take a break, so I won't have any of the No That's Your Dream Legacy videos coming out until my Patreon release. So Generation 2 will be released on my Patreon. I think I'm gonna make it paid, released on Fridays, and then in 2 Fridays you'll get it for free. Starting with the second generation. My Patreon is being released for my birthday. My birthday is early June. I'm gonna start having commercials roll out sometime next week about stuff that will be on my Patreon. I got a couple of shows I'm got a show, and then a very special project, and then I'm gonna redo some town and stuff like that. So I will be releasing commercials, advertising my Patreon. It will be Millie J, of course. That's my trademark. But please do not stop watching. Also, my coloring videos for my channel. Well, it's not on my channel. It's on me and my sister's channel. So I have a sister. If you watch my last video, her channel is Jazz Playhouse. We have a YouTube channel together called Cozy Company, and I have coloring videos because I love to color. I have those videos coming out. Well, they will start back to come out during the summer. So it's just like a brief coloring tutorial. Well, not tutorial, more like a video process step by step that I did. And I don't talk in the video, but my audiobook does play in the video. Okay. My audiobook also will be coming out for purchase on Barnes Noble Press soon. So be on the lookout for that. I got a lot of stuff that's supposed to be in the works. Okay. So fingers crossed. Pray for me. This is our last video until early June. So not that long. Because this video should be coming out first Friday in May. It's the first Friday or second Friday? Second Friday in May. So we're not too far off, okay? Come back for Generation 2. Yeah. Remember, if it does not directly affect you, take a nap, okay? And even if it does directly affect you, like gas prices right now, because why is gas $4? Okay, I gotta get up and go to work. It's so high. Anyway, but guess what I'm about to do? Because I can't change it. Check it out. So, get your sleep, girl. Get your sleep, boy, bro. And, I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. As always, be on the lookout for my Patreon release, okay? Holla at your girl.